Hi guys, welcome to the second or the last part of our Unit 3 quantitative chemistry. And so the next 3 weeks we're going to be working on what's called stoichiometry. Some of you, because of the math in this 3 weeks, will find this really difficult, but honestly, if you can stick to that dimensional analysis method that I've been working on introducing, it will make your life much easier. Because the dimensional analysis process was maybe not necessary when you know some of the conversions, but when you have no idea, it's really important to follow that process. So I'm going to kind of go through what's in this week. There are 4 assignments due this week, but they're all mostly they're all quiz type assignments, and they're there to make sure you can do the problems that you need to do. So you're going to start out Thursday the 28th. You're going to end Wednesday. It's Wednesday the 3rd, yes. First quiz is due Friday. And it's you're going to start by reading Chapter 3, Section 3 on counting. Oh, let me back up. Sorry. Okay, so first, using a scientific calculator. You need to have one. You guys are mostly juniors, so you will be taking the ACT or SAT test. You do need to have a scientific calculator that is not your phone, that you do know how to use as a scientific calculator. So you know how to get scientific notation on and off your calculator. So if you're using your phone, you really need to find one that is not your phone at this point. And this link will tell you about how to use it. Second, we've talked about the mole a little bit. You're going to learn a little bit more about it. I think there's a really good video here from Crash Course. You got to love the Green Brothers, okay? Then you're going to read in your book Chapter 3, Section 3, and then there's just some practice problems to do from that. You're going to go on and read on stoichiometry. There's videos, I believe, on both of these places from Brightstorm, so really good videos explaining how to do this. Okay, then some more molar mass problems, which you have done some already, so that's fine. It's continuing that. And then you're going to go on into learning how to convert moles to grams. And there's some good videos here to explain it. Watch the ones you need so that you know how to do it. Then there's practice problems in here with keys for you. And then there's a little quiz on how to converting moles to grams. A little more reading on the mole. Then you're going to learn how to convert moles to the number of particles. And that is where a constant called Avogadro's number will come in. And you do need to learn that number, and it is a scientific notation number. So this is where you need to start using the scientific notation because your numbers are going to be really, really large. Again, some practice problems and key there, and then you have a quiz on particles to moles, converting the number of particles or the number of moles to the other one. If you don't get what you're doing here, you can come down here at the bottom of this week. There's a folder called More Mole Resources. So if you're not understanding what a mole is, you can come down here into this folder and take a look and see what's in there. There's an animation and some reading. Certainly not required, but it's there if you need it. Also, more stoichiometry if you need to know more about molar mass and how to calculate that. So 4 assignments due this week, just to go over the dates that your assignments are due, because you guys are doing a great job of getting things in. So you've got the first one due on Friday, the next one due Monday, and then one due Tuesday and one due Wednesday. But again, they are fairly short. And at this point, anytime you sit down to take a quiz, you need to make sure you have a calculator. Make sure you have a periodic chart. Make sure you have your common ion sheet. And I'm okay if you use all those. And if you haven't learned those diatomic elements yet, Write them on one of those things that you always have when you take a quiz or do an assignment, and reference that, okay? So let me know if you have questions. I'm here to help.